Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix last 48-hour videos not showing on YouTube Studio. Don't worry, this happens a lot. Let me show you the easy fix to get in working again. Open YouTube Studio and tap Analysis. Make sure you are on the Overview tab. The last 48-hour section only shows real-time views. If you are not on recent views, it may appear empty. YouTube Analysis are not instant. Sometimes it takes a few hours and in some cases up to 24 to 48 hours for new views to show up. This is completely normal. If you are using the YouTube Studio in mobile app, try opening the YouTube Studio on a desktop browser. Many users think missing data appears on desktop first, and make sure your device date and time are set automatically. Wrong time setting can stop real-time data from loading. Go to your app store and update YouTube Studio if you are using a phone. If it's already updated, close the app completely and reopen it. This refreshes the analysis. If the problem continues, sign out of YouTube Studio, then sign back in. This often fixes scan issues, and that's it. You know how to fix last 48-hour videos not showing in YouTube Studio on YouTube, and that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.